Hi, welcome back to another tutorial of UKTechins. So in previous tutorial, we covered how to add app icons in the assets folder, how to create launcher screen, how to add image and title. And now in this video, we will complete our application by adding an image view, a title and a button. So let's get started. So first of all, I will go to the main storyboard, and here I will select the iPhone, which is Pro Max, and the appearance is obviously white theme. And now let me add the image view like this, drag it and drop, and now just scale it. And now if we don't want to add any image, you can change the background color of your screen. So what you can do is you can add the background color like this. Let's choose another bluish color. Select this is good. Now the next step is to add a label. Drag it on the top, close this window, and now you can give this title size in the size inspector, which is this. The width is here 400 and height is 200, and let's see. You can also drag it like this. Whatever the exercise display on the screen, it will show the title over here. So let me just add the label as title, and the font will be Rockwell. Select the Rockwell font, and the pointer size will be 30. You can also change where the text will align by using the alignment. I want to see the text in the middle, and the text color will be of white, not this blue color. So let's just change the color into white, and also increase the size like this. That's it. Now we have to create another image, and for this I will just create image view, drag it in the middle, and now just adjust the size. I want to see this in the middle, and the last is the button. Drag the button here at the bottom. Let's just give the height and width in the inspector. The width will be about 200, and the height will be of 90. Okay, you can change the background color of the button in the attribute inspector. So let's just change the text of button. Next exercise, this, the text should be this, the text color will be obviously white, and the change the background color, and from here after dropping down we can change the the background color of the button. You can change any color like gray or black or blue. Any color can be changed using this attribute. So let's just give it a color as black is more prominent, I guess. So let's just, so this is our first UI tutorial of iOS development. Let me just change the image to this one, and look, after clicking this button, these images will switch and the title will also. How to do this? Let's just jump to the Swift file, which is viewcontroller.swift.